distinguished representatives, ladies and gentlemen, we will now commence with a special treaty event for the agreement under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea on the conservation and sustainable use of marine biological diversity of areas beyond national jurisdiction. We are honored to welcome today heads of states and governments, government ministers, ambassadors, representatives of the host government, heads of delegation, and other distinguished guests. Your presence today is a testament to the importance and the deep commitment you place on this landmark agreement and on the role of treaties in promoting international cooperation. It underscores the global commitment to multilateralism and the future of our shared ocean. We are pleased to be joined today by Ms. Elinor Hammarskjöld, Under Secretary General for Legal Affairs and United Nations Legal Counsel, who will officiate at the ceremony on behalf of the Secretary General of the United Nations. Now, I would like to invite the plenipotentiaries in turn, one by one, to sign the agreement or deposit their instrument of ratification. I now have the honor to invite to the stage on behalf of Fiji, His Excellency the Minister for Environment and Climate Change of Fiji. The agreement under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea on the conservation and sustainable use of marine biological diversity of areas beyond national jurisdiction, let us commend the growing engagement and commitment of states to this historic agreement with a warm round of applause.